so hot today. It's probably 115 degrees outside in Las Vegas. Let me tell you, the weather right now all around the world, or at least in the United States of America, it's been hot. What's happening is we're getting all this humidity, blowing hot air. It's just a freaking heater outside. I was taking a shower yesterday, and as soon as I got out the shower, I'm drenched in sweat already. I didn't even. That's the problem. Send some help. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jensy V. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos, and if you've never been here before, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification down below to get notified on my next video. And ooh, girl, what we're going to be doing is how to survive in this humid, hot weather that we have, especially with our makeup, keeping it all fresh, all beautiful, and set all day long. So we're gonna be using a lot of sunscreen and a lot of powder, and of course this is what works for my skin. I have combination skin. If you have really oily skin, I prefer you guys using a lot of powder and matte makeup. Combination, I would use also a combination of some creamy powder and oil based makeup. And if you have a dry skin, I would use a lot of oil based makeup so it doesn't look too cakey, and some creamy makeup. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, to start off, I'm gonna move my hair out of the way. Okay, look like a tiger. It's very important to have SPF in all your makeup. Why? Because you're gonna get cancer. I'm just kidding. Maybe. You probably will. Well, that's why it's important to have SPF in your makeup or before you put anything on your face. So the sunscreen is gonna be placed as a primer, and this is actually the Neutrogena, and it has an SPF 60 plus. An even amount of sunscreen on my face first. I already have a combination skin. This will even out everything that I will be putting on my face. So my next step, I'm gonna be doing some foundation, and this is Fit Me foundation, and it's a dewy smooth, and it has a sunscreen SPF 18. Blend it in with my brush. Blend it in on your chest as well, like the leftover. Your face, your neck, and your chest look the same. Next step, I like to be spraying my face like 2-3 times all throughout the process of my makeup. So I'll be using the Dewy Finish by NYX to brighten my under eyes. So the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector, and it has SPF 25, and it should come out like this. And with my blending sponge, make sure it's a little moist, just like that. Just dab. And after that, I'm gonna be putting some powder under my eyes. Hydra Perfect by L'Oreal. It's almost out. I use it all the time. My eyelid gets so sweaty. It's a serious matter. So now I'm going to do my brows. Brush it first with my angle brush like this, and using my Tattoo Studio by Maybelline. This is what it looks like. This is a creamy one. And it's really cool because this actually lasts for 24 hours or more. I like to get my little brush right here. I like to try contouring my nose because I have Asian nose, so contouring is a must. Start at the very top and then I work down. Okay, so I'm gonna use this kind of pink rat hair. Make sure that your brush is a little moist or damp. It helps pushing the product onto your skin much better, and I think it's a lot pigmented like that. With the same brush, I like to use the brown on the ends. Okay, so we're going to blend the end so it doesn't have solid lines. You gotta blend, 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 blend. I'm obsessed with this headband. It makes me look wild, shimmery, pinkish. I like to dab that right in the middle of my eyelid. When you get really sweaty, it starts to blend into your skin. Like, people don't even know. Like, when they look at you, they're like, are you wearing makeup? Duh. I like to put it right here to have that big eye effect, or just have the wake up glow. It's a gel pencil liner. This is what it looks like. What's amazing about this is it's waterproof and it's also 36 hours long wear. It's best to get sweaty. And so today I'm gonna be using my telescopic carbon black mascara. I love this mascara because it makes me look like I have extensions. I do have a review of the telescopic mascara and the Sky High by Maybelline. I like to use my Superstay 24 color. It keeps my lipstick all day. I usually put this on first and then I'll wait for a few seconds until it dries. And then on the other end, it has chapstick kind of thing. It's white. Moisturizer. I know you have to put the lip liner first, but I like to put my 24-hour stay. This is the color Stay by Maybelline. Yep, there you go. 115. I like to overline my lip. I like to overline that to have a pouty look. It's a touchable taupe. Number 940, and this is the Maybelline lipstick. This is what it looks like. I like to put some on top of everything. Okay, so we're gonna set everything. That's our second spray today. With my brush like this. I don't know what this is called. Comment down below what it is. This color right here. I like to put that on my cheeks and right on my nose, the middle of the nose. And then I like to put that a little bit to have that glow look, you know. And so I'm gonna do my third spray. Don't forget, this is a NYX setting spray. Dewy finish. Long lasting, vapor turbo. I don't know how to say it. So this is the finished look. I am so grateful for all of you guys for watching my video till the end. Oh my gosh. So if you guys love this video, please press the like button down below to support my channel, and of course, additional to supporting my channel, subscribe to my channel down below, and of course, to get notified for my next videos, press that notification bell button down below to get notified for my next video. I just said that. You guys are amazing. Support each other. Be kind. Be grateful. love one another. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you guys on my next one. Mwah.